Hello, welcome again today. Now we are going to talk about shape in Photoshop. We talk about rectangle, we talk about eclipse tool, that is circle. Then we talk about triangle and polygon. All right, let's get to file and we click new. Okay, we go for perfect square 7 by 7 inches and you click create. All right. We go to, so that's the place to get your shape. Okay, you click on it, the drop down comes up. So we first of all go for rectangle tool. Okay, so you click on it and you draw your rectangle. Okay, so you go to this right hand side and you remove the outline, because as you have drawn the rectangle, there's outline by the edges, and you come here and remove the outline, make it 0 instead of 1. So the outline is removed. Okay. Now to change the color, you can go to fill, you click it and you change the color to purple. Okay. You can change the color from here. You choose any color that you want. Okay, say okay and you change it. Next we go for eclipse tool, that is circle. You click on it. For you to draw a perfect circle, you hold down your shift key and here we go. All right, you still go back to the right hand side and remove the outline from here. Okay, and go to fill and change the color to purple. All right, so we go for the next one. This is shapes in Photoshop. This is where you will get any shape that you want. So we go for triangle. Okay, and we draw our triangle here. All right, so you go to the right hand side and you remove the outline, you make it 0. Okay, then you click on fill to change the color to light brown. Okay, now we get to the next one, that is polygon tool. Okay, we draw our polygon tool. Okay, now if you come to this place, we have 5 sides of this polygon, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that is the 5 showing here. Okay, we select it and we go to and remove the outline and we move. We place it here. Okay, Then we go for the next one. Line 2. Okay, you click on it and you draw your line. Okay, that's our line now. Okay, so to fill, we select it. I hit Ctrl T. That's it. For the line, you can remove the outline from here. Okay, so that is the line 2. Finally, we go for the custom shape tool. Okay, then we draw. This is leopard. Okay, you can come here and change. This is wild animals. This is lion. Okay, all right. You can change the color to ash blue. So these are shapes in Photoshop. Thank you for watching.